To our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to revoke app permissions you forgot you granted. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to revoke a forgotten app permission, all you gotta do is simply go and tap open your device main settings app. Once you have done this, you need to simply scroll down below, and once you scroll down you can go to find apps. So once you're in your app section, you can go and tap open the specific app whose permission you want to change. So you can simply scroll down and simply tap on any of the app you want to revoke permission of. So now once you tap that specific app, you will find a list of permissions. Simply tap on the permission section, and once you see this, you can simply tap on the permission you want to deny. So you can simply tap on the permission and tap on don't allow to revoke access to it. So this is how you can simply revoke app permissions you forgot you granted. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.